guys, Sonic and Do 65 here, back at again with another boxing video. And today, I brought a different toy. Something very fast, something very different in the country. Like I have these here. Like the last I have these here for a reason because I brought them the last time. But that's not here. But that's not what I'm here for. I brought the most expensive prize is the Global Racer Cup, Raoul Aroule and Miguel Camino. Yep, I finally got them. I've been wanting them for so long, but I thought they were out, but they're not. They're available at Walmart. So I decided I was going to get them. You know, like the last time I bought Lightning McQueen and Çaroule. So if you want to see my Çaroule and Lightning McQueen unboxing video, it's on the link here, and make sure you watch it. Alright, let's take a look at them. Wow. Yep, I definitely got these. I got them last time. Alright. It looks so amazing. Alright, I'm gonna do a jump cut, and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, they're out. Let's take a look at them. Wow. First up, we have Miguel Camino. Wow, he's in really good condition. He had this little, what's it called? A spear? Oh yeah. And here they are. These two. They look exactly the same. They look exactly the same, but in different colors. Wow. I'm not gonna lie, these look so awesome. But see, there's an unknown and a Gloria Grand Prix. But they look different, but in different colors. They look the same, but they're in different colors. This one is his wheels. Oh yeah, his tires has black. I painted in black stripes. I painted in red stripes. I meant. His wheels, his tires are red. Yep. Now let's take a look at Raoul Aroule, the French car. Wow, looks so awesome. Look, it says he had. Look, it says GRC and looks. Wow, I can tell the difference between this and that. They look the same, but they're different colors. See, there's his tag. It says 06. The World Grand Prix, but none. Yeah, and he has a logo on top. Wow. How awesome is that? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit notifications. I'll see you in the next unboxing video, okay? Bye!